Woman fall in love with what they hear, but fall out of love because of how they feel. So you can use a sweet word to catch her, but your actions are going to decide whether she stay or not. You can do with a woman and you get her born with one woman, but you make she feel like say the woman more important than her. And she left go there with her next man. You have 10 women, but the man makes she feel special and don't make she feel like say the other woman them more than she. So you see some of the time and what you do and how you do it. And woman love feel special. So you see as long as you can make the woman feel special, no matter how much woman you want to have, it don't really matter to most women. As long as you make them feel special. You have to tell them what they want to hear, but at the same time, your action have to match up with what you tell them. Because you see, if what you tell them no match up with what you do, then it don't make no sense. So as long as them feel special while you do whatever you do, then they have a business about the rest of girl them. As long as them feel good and them get the treatment what them want. Once you understand woman and know how to communicate and treat woman, you always are going to win.